It's here. It's finally here. So today we're going to be unboxing the new MakeupShayla collection with ColourPop. I'm so excited. If you really know me, you know how much I absolutely love MakeupShayla. I just love her so much. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So I did purchase the entire collection at the time that it was on sale. So the first things are the 3 lipsticks that are on top. They come in this very cute packaging, purple, black, paint splashes. It's so cute. This one is called Come On Sis. So this is the actual packaging. It kind of looks like a perfume bottle, very cute. Open it up. It's a nice, pretty nude pink. And if you really look close, it has like stars in it. So that's Come On Sis. That's the color against my skin. Next we have Quickie. And it's an even lighter pink-ish nude. Kind of the same color as the palm of my hand. Let's swatch it for you. It's very frosty, so definitely wear this with a brown liner or burgundy. And the last lip product we have is which is one of her infamous sounds. And this one is like a coral nude. So obviously Come On Sis is gonna be my favorite. That's this one. This is a Quickie, and this is We have a lip gloss, and this lip gloss is called Neat Freak, and it's just a lip topper, so you can put it on top of any of your lipsticks. I love lip gloss, so this is perfect. It's ultra lip gloss, and it has gold reflex in it. It's kind of like rose gold. Doesn't have a scent at all. The gloss, can't really see it. There you go. Just a simple gloss. I don't like the applicator already, but that's just me because I prefer flexible applicators. Next we have 2 concealers that are not a part of the collection but that I needed oh so desperately. These are the ColourPop No Filter concealers, and I have one in the color Deep Dark and the other one in Dark 44, which doesn't seem dark at all to me. This is not dark enough. Like, what the crap. I tried to go based off of the internet pictures, and this does not look dark, but you will see once I actually apply it on my face. Then we have 2 highlighters, which I'll wait for the end of the video to open up. They gave me a little free gift, a super eye shock shadow, which I don't really care about right now. I got a Perception eyeshadow palette. This is the main event. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting to share. I just had to wait for the perfect day to do so. So this is what it looks like. Super duper cute. It has 16 eyeshadows, a couple mattes, a couple of shimmers, a couple of darks, a couple of lights, a couple of neutrals, a mirror, which is freaking awesome. Nobody hates eyeshadow palettes without mirrors more than me. Like, what's the point? It's for your eyes. I need a mirror to see my eyes. Like, thank you, Shayla, for putting a mirror in this palette. Thank you for the neutrals. I really love that. Obviously, I knew she would come through with this because she's the queen of coming through. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started because I have to go soon. So, let's do this. Let's start on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use this really freaking bright concealer that I did not think was gonna be this bright. Actually, first let me go ahead and start with this poreless face primer from e.l.f. I tell you, I feel pore free right now. First, I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Dark 44, which again, I feel like is not the true to color. There's no way that this is Dark 44. Like, what the heck? It's like light 44, not dark, I'm telling you. But anyways, we're gonna try it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Sacha Buttercup powder just to set that. All right, now let's get started with the fun. I'm gonna start off with a blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and with Culture first, which is this really soft color here. Okay, so that's very nice. It blended really nicely. Revenge, which is this dark burgundy down here. I'm going to go back to that first blending brush and just go ahead and blend out the edges. Next, I'm going to go in the middle of the eye with Strut and Slay, which is a nice rose gold type of color here. And I'm going to put that dead center in the middle. I'm going to take a smaller brush and go ahead and create a halo effect and use those same two colors that I use on the outer corner and the inner corner as well. Now to add just a tad bit more drama, I'm going to go in with Played Out, which is a dark brown color. This is the one brown in the palette, which I think is great, and I'm going to put it in the deepest parts of the eye. We're going to leave the eyes be for now, and then we're going to go back in after we finish the face. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the All Nighter Foundation by Urban Decay in the shade 12.0. This is my newest all-time favorite foundation, and it's just amazing, and it makes my skin look super, super, super beautiful, and I love it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and take the ColourPop concealer and go ahead and conceal. I love this applicator for sure. That blended out beautifully. Whoa. That was really nice. Girl, look how snatched you is. You better stop. You better stop, girl. This don't make no sense. I want her one day to look at me and be like, dang girl, them cheekbones high. You're not contoured unless even the boys could say, dang girl, you contoured. True story. That's a fact. Go ahead and set that with the same Sacha Buttercup powder. So I'm going to be wearing the Demi Wispies by Ardell in black, some of my favorites. I'm going to be using the Vegas Nay Eye Lure glue. We're going to go ahead and chisel out the face a little bit more using this Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony. This is my favorite bronzer. I had to get a new one, but yeah, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown lip liner and go ahead and line my lips. I'm gonna put Come On Sis on the outer corners of the lip. And the center, I'm putting Quickie. Oh, I did not contour my nose. What the heck? Let's move on to the highlighters. This one is in the color Pose, and these are, I believe, loose powder highlighters. So let me put my towel over my outfit because I'm not trying to make a mess. This one is in the color Pose, and it's pretty much pure gold. If I do say so myself. Let's put a little bit in the cap. A little bit goes a long way. I think this should have been named freaking liquid gold. Ready? I'm so scared. Jesus. Okay, I need a new brush because a lot came out at the same time. I'm blinding. This one is beautiful. I just feel extra. And the other one is called Booming, so I can only imagine how this one's gonna look against my skin. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be booming. And this one is a little lighter. This one is like champagne, the other one is like pure gold. So this is Booming. And I feel like she definitely catered to lighter skin and darker skins, which is beautiful because we all get one. You get a highlighter, you get a highlighter. We all get. Oh yeah, I like Booming better. Booming is more subtle for me, you know, but I do like this too. However, Booming is something I wouldn't mind wearing every day. I kind of want my forehead to just have a little shine, like a glisten, you know. Let's go ahead and set this beautiful face I got with the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. Let me go get the rest of my body set while that's drying. This is the finished look, honey girl. I look really amazing, and I really love the way that this came out. I'm very impressed with this eyeshadow palette. I definitely feel like my eyes are slaying. Like, y'all boys better not look into my eyes. I really enjoyed the way that this makeup tutorial came out. I love the foundation. I love the concealer. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Serve you some face real quick.